We are ready.
Hi, my name is Noi. Welcome.
Again, but you just kind of like. So honored to be here with Chef Noi, one of Thailand's best chefs, also named Iron Chef of Thailand, as well as many amazing credentials, has been trained at restaurants in Germany with Michelin Star Chefs, as well as on the Queen Elizabeth luxury cruise lines back in the day. I believe that we've been so lucky. Two things: Thailand for having Chef Noi to come back. We would love to, if you can, just go into the 3 dishes that we got to cook today, the inspiration behind it, and maybe what are your key favorite ingredients in each.
Okay, so yeah, well, first of all, welcome to Suay, and the 3 dishes that we created today is for this class is based on our food concept. Suay concept is in Sassy, unique, authentic, and yummy.
So cool.
So it's all in one. So it's Sassy, it's unique, and it's authentic, and it's yummy.
Yes.
So based on my background, cooking background is European cuisine. As you said that I grew up in Europe, in Germany, and I've been trained there and picked up a lot of cooking technique from Europe and combine it with beautiful Thai food culture. And the flavor, of course, of the Thai food. So that's why we have these 3 dishes today.
Yes.
So one is the tom yum lobster dim sum. So this kind of like beef based. So a soup is kind of prawn beef served with lobster dim sum, and we add a little bit of tom yum flavor into the soup, so it makes it more unique and interesting.
It was so awesome because what I realized that it's plated beautifully like a beef soup that you would get in a beautiful French restaurant. But then when you taste it, you get this amazing undertone of the tom yum flavor, the chili paste, the kefir lime leaves, and the lemongrass. It was so yummy. So
thank you.
Definitely unique.
It's one of our best-selling soups as well. Another dish is SOMTAM. So it's papaya salad.
Yes.
As everybody knows, papaya salad is well known for Thai salad, Thai cuisine.
Every meal.
Spicy and really refreshing and healthy as well. And then we just top it up with ribeye steak.
I know. Yeah. So good. The just marinade.
Marinade ribeye steak and grill it to medium and serve with SOMTAM.
That's how you elevate SOMTAM. It was so good.
As
authentic flavors.
SOMTAM HISO.
SOMTAM HISO for sure. You cannot get SOMTAM with the steak on top, perfectly cooked like that. So that was amazing. That's a beautiful creation for sure.
Another one is our signature recipe. It's just a simple pad Thai, but the recipe is also very simple. But the flavor is just like I would say well balanced as well.
So
well
good.
balanced.
It's just comforting because when I took that first bite, the first thing that came to me, it was just so comforting. But then you just think of that bowl of like you know, the spaghetti or like a pasta dish that just makes you feel like home, or like when you were a kid eating this hot noodle dish. So, I mean, pad Thai can be so simple, but
It's just
yet
comfort food,
it's
yeah.
so
Yeah.
awesome.
Should be done. Yeah,
I love
that's
it.
all the 3 dishes
Yes,
yeah,
so
from today.
good. Thank you so much for sharing your time with us.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I have one side quick question. I had one of our amazing foodies here. She asked him, what does it take to become an Iron Chef?
Oh, I think it's based on long time experience.
Yes.
Yeah, from many places and many cuisine that I picked up. Yeah.
It is amazing, amazing. And your restaurant is beautiful.
That's what Suay stands for.
I
Beautiful,
know,
yeah.
so pretty. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
ขอบคุณ
Thank
มาก
you ครับ
ค่ะ
Okay.
Thank y'all for watching. It has been a once in a lifetime experience that we got to share with Chef Noi, his beautiful restaurants, his beautiful recipes, and the also just the community that we came to build, and just hanging out as friends, becoming family members through these food. It is super soul feeding. So thank y'all so much.
Nikki feeding souls.